Hi everyone, in this video we will see how to create a free AWS account in 2025, and it's a step-by-step guide for beginners in which you will learn how to sign up for AWS Free Tier account, and with this AWS Free Tier account it will give you 12 months of free access to many services like EC2, S3, Lambda and many more. So in that sense it is perfect for anyone who is practicing cloud skills and building real projects. So let us see how we can create a AWS Free Tier account. First of all, you need to open a Chrome browser and type aws.amazon.com/free because we want to create a free AWS account. Now this is an user interface for AWS Free Tier. Now on the right hand side corner you can see there is one button with name create an AWS account. You need to click on this button. Now it will open the sign up interface for AWS. Now here you need to enter your valid email address, like I can put some random email address just for the sake of simplicity, but in real practice while creating a new AWS account you need to enter the valid Gmail address at here. Now here you can give the AWS account name like my AWS account. So this is the account name. You can give any account name which you like. So I can keep deep AWS account, and after that you need to click on verify email address. After this it will verify your email address. If you have entered a valid Gmail or email address, then it will allow you to go inside. So if you have entered a valid email address, then your email will get verified successfully. So once you click on verify email address, it will show you the security verification screen in which you need to enter this text which is appearing in this box. Next it will send one code on your Gmail address that you need to enter, and once you enter that code successfully it will give you the message like it's you, your email address has been successfully verified. Now here you need to create your root user password. So for that you can enter the root user password, same for each one, like these two. So you can enter whatever you want to use. Make sure both are matching. Next you need to click on continue button. Now here next it will present you one screen like sign up for AWS. Here you need to select the AWS plan, like whether it is for business or personal use. So we can select the personal it here, and here we can give our full name, phone number, our country, address line 1, address line 2, city, state and postal code, and post which we need to select this checkbox and click on agree and continue. Next it will present you the billing information page wherein you need to enter your billing details like your credit or debit card details. Before that you can see this is the important message, like it will hold a $1 USD. Although it is a AWS Free Tier, it will simply hold a $1 USD just for few days just to verify your identity. Next it will send you the OTP on your registered a mobile number that you need to enter it here. On the next screen you need to enter like primary purpose of your account registration. You can select the personal use, and here ownership type you can select the individual, or if you want to choose something else you can choose, but most probably individual seems good for free account. And here you can enter other details as well. After you enter all the details including the PAN number and all, it will show you the next screen like sign up for AWS. Here you need to check like how should we send you the verification code. So here you need to select your country code. And here you can enter your mobile number, post which here it will show you the security verification screen again, where you need to enter the text which is showing in this gray area. Finally, it will send one verification code on your mobile number that you need to enter it here. And you can click on continue button. Seems good. Now on this last page you need to select your support plan, like which plan you want to go for. So we can select our basic plan it here, because we want to go for free tier, so we need to select this plan which is free. And finally we can click on complete sign up. So that's it. Congratulations, you are done with this, and finally you have successfully created your new AWS Free Tier account. And this is a message which will show you post successful creation of a new account on AWS. I hope you must have enjoyed this. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching this.